everyone, a very warm welcome to my video. Today again I have brought a very amazing question. So let us move us to the question that is very amazing and super. So let us move us to the question. So guys, this is our question. So let us read it quickly. It is a very short question. So the question says that Thomas bought a train set with 25 toy engines. So 25 engines हैं. So and एक toy है. So it runs with at different speeds. So different speeds के engines हैं. The train set has 5 parallel tracks that can be built to race the engines. After each round, Thomas notes down the relative speeds of the engines instead of their actual lap times. What is the least number of races he can play before he can decide the first, second and third fastest engines? So guys, methods are many, but we have to choose the method that find out the least number of races. So question is very short. Let us move us to the whiteboard. So guys, the question says that there is a toy, and with that toy there are 25 engines. One engine will fit with the toy, but there are 25 engines. Now he has to choose that which engine comes the first, which engine comes the second, which engine comes third. Okay, now 5 tracks, there are 5 tracks, means 5 that engines can be raced at a time. Okay guys, so now total engines 25, at a time 5 engines can be raced. Now how many races will it take to do 25 to find out the engine which has won? So guys, first of all, what we will do, that we will divide it by 5. Every time 5 engine races, so it will take 5 races to count that. After 5 races there will be 5 finalists. Okay, now have you ever think that अगर हमने 6 ले लिया, okay, 6 races ले ली, but what we did, that we took first from every race and did their race. But have you ever thought, what if the second place who came in the first race, maybe it ran faster than the second one, second race में जो first आया उससे भी तेज भागता हो, क्या पता? Yes, it can be possible. It can be possible. So हमने क्या किया है, that we have made a table in which we have written all the information, that from A, B, C, D, who has come first rank, who has come second rank. So I have made that table. Let me show you that. So guys, this is the table. In this, what we have done, that first race is group A, second race is group B, third race is group C, fourth race is group D, and fifth race is group E. Okay guys, so now what we will do, we will take the first 3, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. Okay guys, so हम पहले 5 रेसेस करेंगे जिनमें ग्रुप ए की रेस होएगी, फर्स्ट सेकंड रेस होएगी, थर्ड रेस होएगी, टोटल 5 रेस तो होंगी. उनमें से वी विल सिलेक्ट द टॉप 3. ओके गाइज, सो टॉप 3 से ज्यादा नहीं लेना, टॉप 3. सो वी विल एक्सक्लूड द लास्ट 2 रोज. वी विल एक्सक्लूड द लास्ट 2 रोज. व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? फर्स्ट 3 रोज. ओके गाइज, नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू इज दैट वी विल डू द रेस फॉर द first members of all the races. I mean all the members who have come first, come rank 1, we will do the race of them. So in the race 1, A1 has come first, we have written rank 1 for them. In race B, B1 has come first. So we will take all these members, A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. Okay guys, so we will make them participate in the another race, which is the 6th race now. So what will we see in that? We will see that any 3 will come first. Any 3 will come first, and in that any 3 we can take A1, B1, C1. Okay guys, so उसमें से क्या होएगा, लास्ट के 2 एक्सक्लूड हो जाएंगे. नाउ लास्ट के 2 एक्सक्लूड हो जाएंगे, एंड A1 we can consider it as first, B1 second, C1 is last. So अब करा क्या है हमने, that D1 और E1 exclude हो गए because they have come fourth and fifth position. Now this is not constant, this can be any number, that is why we have let that. Okay, number can be any, we are just saying that. Okay guys, so D1 and E1 are excluded. Now since D1 were smaller than D1 were the first, yes, D1 came first among its group members, E1 came first among its group members. So both of them, so rest of the members of its group ran more slower than it. Okay guys, so अगर D1 and E1 तेज नहीं भागे C1 से, means that C1 can come third. मतलब अगर D1 थर्ड नहीं आ पाया तो उससे जो नीचे, उससे धीरे भागते हैं, वो कौन सा थर्ड आएंगे, वो भी तो थर्ड से ज्यादा आएंगे और नीचे आ जाएंगे, फोर्थ आएंगे, फिफ्थ आएंगे. सो हमें इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. D and E group are excluded. Okay guys, I am not saying that the team, whole team, that whenever you take any team that last two races have been excluded. No, these are some of the members. We are just considering that. Okay guys, we are just considering that. So any two group whose first member, whose rank 1 member is slower than the other three, that two groups will be excluded. So here we have taken group D and group E which have been excluded. Okay guys, which have been excluded. बचे क्या? These three. Okay guys, these group D and E are excluded. Last two rows have been excluded. So बचा ये square हमारा. So अब white board पे चलते हैं. अब थोड़ा हमारा छोटा हो गया है. So guys, हमारे पास बचा क्या है? 9 पार्टिसिपेंट बचे हैं. टोटल अभी 6 रेसेस हुई हैं. ओके गाइस, 9 पार्टिसिपेंट बचे हैं. A2, ओके नो सॉरी, इट्स B, इट्स C, A1, B1, C1, A2, A3, B2, C3, oh sorry, C3 not, B3, या C2 एंड C3. ये आया हमारे पास. ये रैंक 1 की लिस्ट है, ये 2 की, ये 3 की. ओके गाइज, सो मतलब हमने जो पहली वाली रेस, 6th रेस जो की थी, उसमें A1 फर्स्ट आया था, B1 सेकंड, C थर्ड. अब C थर्ड आया, इसका मतलब क्या है? C1 इज द फास्टेस्ट अमंग C2 एंड C3. सो C1 कैन कम थर्ड, बट अगर उससे स्लोअर C2 एंड C3 है तो वो ज्यादा रैंक 4 आएंगे. रैंक 3 वो कभी नहीं आ सकते. जो फर्स्ट है, जो रैंक थर्ड है, उससे कैसे तेज भाग लेंगे? वो तो पहले ही स्लोअर है. सो ये दोनों हमारे एक्सक्लूड हो गए. ओके गाइस, ये दोनों हमारे एक्सक्लूड हो गए. ये अब नहीं है. तो बचे अब ये 7 मेंबर्स. 7 मेंबर्स में क्या होएगा? नाउ सी, B1. Now B1 is for second, came in this race. Okay guys, now B2 बचा, B3 बचा. Okay, I accept that B2 थोड़ा सा धीरे भागता है. So it can come second. Yeah, maximum it can come second. उससे ज्यादा नहीं आ सकता. B2 can come second also, not third. Yeah, B2 can come third. But B3 ये सेकंड मेंबर की थर्ड पोजीशन, मतलब ये से, मतलब अगर B2 सेकंड पोजीशन है तो B3 थर्ड पोजीशन आ ही नहीं सकता. व्हाई? बिकॉज B2 भी तो बैठा है. मैक्सिमम B2 थर्ड आ जाएगा. यस, मैक्सिमम B2 थर्ड आ जाएगा, बट B3 का तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं है. सो B3 को भी एक्सक्लूड कर दो. नेक्स्ट थिंग, ये सारे बचे. Okay guys, now we know that A1 has win the race among B and C. Yes, and he is also the fastest among his group. Yes, he is also among the fastest among his group. So A को तो हम अलग ही कर देते हैं, that he is first. A तो first आ गया है, already first आ गया है. What we have to find now? Second and third. Okay guys, So second and third. Now what we will do, A2 A3 B1 B2 and C कितने हैं, 5 मेंबर्स हैं. एक रेस और करवा लेंगे. टोटल अभी तक 6 रेसेस थी, अब 1 रेस और करवाएंगे. कितनी हो गई, 7. नाउ हमने सेकंड और थर्ड, अब बचे 5 मेंबर्स ही थे. मैंने आपको सारे एक्सक्लूड बता दिया. बचे 5 मेंबर्स थे. इनमें से जो टॉप 3 आएंगे, टॉप 2 आएंगे, वो सेकंड एंड थर्ड क्लासिफाई करे जाएंगे. सो हमारे पास आंसर आ गया है 7. Final answer is 7. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.